Today, we learn infinitives after adjectives. This is a very common English pattern. You see examples like happy to see and easy to understand. Many adjectives work this way in English sentences. The basic pattern uses common adjectives. Happy to see you means someone feels good about seeing. Glad to help shows someone is pleased to give help. Easy to understand describes something simple to learn. Sad to leave expresses feeling bad about going away. Here are more common examples. Difficult to believe means hard for someone to accept as true. Important to know shows something people must learn. Ready to start means prepared to begin something. Sorry to hear expresses sadness about bad news. Infinitives explain why someone feels that way. She was happy to meet her friends means the meeting made her happy. It is important to learn grammar because grammar helps speak correctly. He felt ready to start the project because he finished preparation. Practice these sentences. I'm happy to help you means helping makes the speaker feel good. It's hard to believe shows something is difficult to accept. She was afraid to ask because she worried about the answer. They are ready to go means they finished preparing. Continue practicing. It's nice to meet you shows pleasure about meeting someone new. I'm glad to help expresses happiness about giving help. This is fun to do means the activity brings enjoyment. He was lucky to win because winning was not easy. These adjectives commonly use infinitives. Happy, glad, and sorry all work with to plus verb. Ready and easy follow the same pattern. Difficult and afraid also use infinitives to explain feelings or situations. Remember the pattern, adjective plus to plus verb. This structure explains reasons and feelings. Practice these sentences every day to speak natural English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.